Right, so I was about to go outside, and then, of course, like you can tell what's going to happen, really. It's raining, of course it's raining! Right, so Dylan's coming in 10 minutes, and I need to get ready. I always leave everything to the last minute. Right, I'm ready, I'm just wearing my AJ Styles top. And now we just gotta wait for Dylan to come. Dylan just texted me saying he's gonna be a bit late because he's gonna pick someone up. That's good for me because it means I can have more time on WWE 2K16. Get in there, son. As you can see, Dylan's here now.
Hi.
I'm about to do. Oh, hello. I'm about to do innuendo bingo. Well, I am. Dylan's not, but he's gonna be playing the clips, and I'm gonna be doing it. So I'll set my tripod up, here.
Well, Tim's my long-standing thing.
Right then, me and Dylan are filming a predictions video for Extreme Rules. Inception, you're in it. But yeah, we're filming an Extreme Rules prediction video. I'm hoping to get it up before Sunday, when it actually happens. Unlike it did last time, it was like 3 million years late. Yeah, I gotta get up by tomorrow basically, which with my dad tonight, it's gonna be a bit hard. But yeah. Right, so your man Dylan is leaving now. Bye. So gay, man. Roxy's asking me if she wants a curry. Yeah. Do you want a curry, Rox? Okay. Right then, guys, Dylan's actually left now, as you saw in the last clip. But yeah, basically what we did, we was gonna come over to film wrestling videos on the trampoline, but as always in Wales it started raining, so he came over anyway, and then basically we just sat and just played 2K16 on the Xbox and just watched some wrestling, and yeah, basically just chilled out with each other. So yeah, I've actually just got changed into another WWE top because the other one was a bit dirty. I'm about to go with my dad's. I need to do my bag now, ready for his house, and then yeah, we'll see what happens. Right, so the sun is actually starting to come out now. As you can see, the blue skies. So I think it's time for a little time lapse. Let's do it. And there goes all my plans again. Welcome to What's Mojo. Use the top 21 reasons why I hate Wales. Rain, 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 rain. Oh yeah, and rain. And now it stopped raining, but it just make up his mind like. Right, so I'm back at my own house now. I've changed. I'm gonna go out to where I live to meet some of my friends. So yeah.